them get around us. Skipper, come on.
Those guys are onto the thief. Don't worry, we'll shoot them yet. Watch out!
Aha! You will remember this day when you almost defeated the captain. Yes, we will win.
What's going on here? Why is there such a mess everywhere? Sammy, I'm talking to you. Oh, Sammy, are you okay?
Thanks, Sue. Everything's fine. It's just all wrong. The mess, the pirates, the thieves. Sue, where are you? I got it, Sue.
Why scare me so much? What did you get?
I don't want to play pirates anymore. I want to help other toys that are in trouble. Let's open a toy hospital.
Great idea, Sammy. But not now. Let's do it in the morning, okay? It's way too late now.
Oh, right. I didn't think about that. This goes here like this. Oh, there you are, Sue. Finally! Look what I came up with for our hospital.
Great! Wait, did you stay up all night to make this drawing?
Yes, it doesn't matter. Let's get started.
I like your attitude. First, let's prepare the perfect lawn as the base for our hospital.
There you go. Great. Now dump it all. Whoa! Careful! It's the most valuable cardboard straight from Tibidaba.
So, how about heading to the store for textures for decoration?
Luckily, I'm good in construction. But I'm perfect in decor. Ooh la la! So many choices. There are textures for every taste. Oh, that's a pickle. I don't even know what to choose. Maybe this one or this one? Too many choices.
Stay up, Sammy. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Oh, merci. It is all just so exciting. How do you like this for the floor?
Just what we need. And I'm thinking these to decorate the walls, and this one too.
We can start building the hospital.
First, we need a garage.
It's good that you thought of this right away.
You don't say. Otherwise, we would be left without ambulances. I couldn't let that happen.
So, everything seems to be okay here. But here it needs to be adjusted a little. That's what I'm talking about. How many more innocent toys will suffer if we don't build a hospital? We must prevent this at all costs.
I agree.
Ouch.
So, let's get back to crafting. We'll start with the shelves. To store various medical devices, I'll glue the texture on both sides and make the edges look neat.
I am here and ready to work.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm taking this hammer away from you, mister.
Calm down, Sue. Everything's under control. I just decided to help you to speed up the process.
Thanks, but I won't return the hammer to you, or you'll hurt yourself again.
Oh, come on, look. It's all over now, and I feel great.
Still, you've already had a lot of trouble in this episode. Consider it a vacation from hammers.
Oh, well, what should I do then?
You could help me with the next craft. It should be less dangerous. Oops. Sorry. It was an accident. But at least the clay is soft, right? Any hospital should always have the best medicines. So the doctors could easily and quickly cure all patients. This goes here. We will also sign it, so no one confused it with something else. What about the rest, Sam?
Always ready. You can take it.
I found just the perfect place for them. Voila!
Doctor, finally you're here. My son, Doctor, he refuses to eat broccoli.
Everything looks fine to me. Are you completely sure that...
Why, my son? It should have been me in his place.
Okay. I'll take a closer look at him. So, I need tools to examine a patient.
You got it, Doc. Just give me a minute.
So?
One stethoscope for the doctor. Check.
Thank you, nurse. Now breathe. Don't breathe. Everything is fine here, too. You know, I think that your son has a plain whimsy syndrome.
What? Oh, no! How do we cure it?
Dr. Sam has all you need in his portable first aid kit. It will be closed with a valve. Looks very cute. Let's add a handle for the most convenience. Here you go, Doc.
Right about time. Thank you. And you? Please, would you just feed your son with something else?
Wow, I didn't even think about that.
Here's my professional opinion. Think less.
Thanks, Doc. Bye. Well, if it's not broccoli, it's Brussels sprouts.
It's not easy to help others. I'm even a little tired.
By the way, did you write down their medical history?
Yeah, look what a pile. I'll throw it right here.
Wait! This is a hospital. Everything needs to be kept in order here.
Fine.
We need to make special charts. Come on, join me, Sammy.
Meh, forms. Okay, I'd do anything for the sake of the patients.
Don't worry, it's fast and easy. Just repeat after me. And like this. You see?
You are a great teacher, Sue. I did it in no time. Here.
Now all the documents will be in one place. We also need a medicine cabinet with a door.
Hey, but it's empty. This won't work. I have an idea. Now I will show you an amazing trick that I learned at the School of Merlin.
What a great trick!
Oh, hello and welcome to the Dr. Sam's office. Come, sit. Sue, we have no chairs. Here, I've made the seat and you do the rest.
Will do. Comfortable and beautiful.
You definitely forgot about the laptop. How else will I register my patients?
Did you mean how would you play video games during breaks?
You figured me out. But doctors also need rest.
Duly noted. Okay, the desk is ready. You can invite the patient. There. Please have a seat. The doctor will be right up.
Sorry for the long wait. So, what did you come to me with today?
Oh, I was just passing by. I'm fine. Whoa.
So, you're not sick and you just came to gawp?
Yeah, it's cool here. But it's like there's not enough decor.
Sue, don't you think our hospital is a bit boring? Let's decorate it.
Sure. I think this is the best place for your doctor's
We
diploma.
also need a bed for patients. We are a real hospital.
I'll do the headboard and frame, and you do the rest, okay?
Coming right up. I will do everything in a blink of an eye.
What do you say about this design?
A hospital bed needs legs with wheels.
That's right, Sammy. It is very important.
I will make this mattress the most comfortable and softest.
It's a perfect fit. And let's not forget about safety. Oh, I would like to sleep on such a pillow. And this is the place for the patient's chart. There should be a vitamin drip, just in case.
And the screen for the patients to feel comfortable if they stay overnight.
Here go the scales to know the exact weight. And a wheelchair, in case some of our patients need it.
It is time to set the entrance to the hospital.
You are right. And I made a bright pink door with a very beautiful handle. Check this out.
Let me just secure everything so that it doesn't fall.
We need to indicate that the hospital is open and welcomes everyone who needs our help.
Okay, Sam, just don't mix up the letters. H comes first, L comes last. Alrighty, I'm done.
Hop and hop. Look how beautiful the windows are. I also want to plant these pretty flowers. Okay, I think we're done.
This is Dr. Sam. How can I help you? Oh, okay. I'm on my way. Sue, we have a new patient. He urgently needs our help.
Come on, baby. What is it? Why can't you calm down?
We need to examine him. Take off the blanket, Sue. Oh no! What a severe inflammation! No wonder he cried so much.
It's okay. We'll help you now, little buddy. There you go, sweetie. Sleep, little baby. You'll be fine.
Yes, we did it! Friends, thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe.
And give a thumbs up, of course. See you soon. Bye-bye.